Shritama and welcome back to my channel, and first of all a very happy new year you guys. I hope everyone has a great new year ahead, and I thought why not start the new year with something more real, more positive if you will. And this is an update to my room transformation. Yes, if you can't understand, this is my old room and thoda sa to revamp hua hai. Still a lot of work needs to be done, but I just wanted to take you guys through the process because बहुत कुछ, like a lot has gone behind this room and the painting of it, and this is just the first stage, just the painting has been done. So let's just get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shritama. I make beauty and lifestyle content on YouTube. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel, would mean the world to me. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this video. As you can see, this is the bed which I have in my room. यहाँ पे बहुत bags and stuff पड़े हैं, so I need to get rid of this. And यहाँ पे नीचे there are a lot of compartments in this as well, as you can see. तो ये सब, the whole bed needs to be shifted upstairs so that I can make more space over here. So some people have finally come to work over here and they are just working on the windows because windows भी थोड़ा सा tattered condition में है. So as I said, my whole room is getting renovated. So let me just share some ideas which I have for my room. Right here where I'm standing, I think I'm gonna have a bookshelf over here. For what, you may ask, because पढ़ाई तो मैं वैसे करती नहीं. तो my idea is I'm gonna have a bookshelf. I have a bookshelf. I'm gonna use that only. I'm gonna spray paint it white, and उसमें I'm gonna store my bags and shoes. Yes, I know it sounds like a first world problem, but I wanted to have like a walk-in wardrobe ever since I was little. वो तो possible नहीं है इस कमरे में करना, but I can have at least a part of it, because right now my bag collection and the storage is really bad. जूते ना भी हो तो बैग कलेक्शन तो मुझे यहाँ पे रखना है, because there's a lot of stuff and I just can't shove it in one अलमारी. Anyways, I hope कि bookshelf यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. And over here there's another a little bit of space. I'm thinking of adding like a two-seater couch, if you will, जहाँ पे I can sit and film content or just chill in general, because एक chair पे बैठते बैठते कमर अकड़ जाती है, so I can just chill here for a while hopefully. Next again over here, as I said कि sofa रहेगा, तो over here there will be again some space. तो मेरा idea है कि थोड़ा सा at least till this rack I want to make another chest of drawers जहाँ पे I can store more PR का सामान, more skincare and stuff. So clearly my collection is increasing, so I need more storage to store stuff in it. So I think I can do that again under a budget, and I'll take you guys through that journey as well. फिलहाल I think this is the update which I have on my room.
এই নিচের দিকটা হ্যাঁ এই দিকটা বড় খারাপ আছে।
This is what my room is looking like. कुछ ज़्यादा मेजर चेंजेस आपको दिखेंगे नहीं, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट कवर्ड अप. बट यहाँ पे राइट हियर दिस एरिया, डोंट माइंड माई हैंड्स बिकॉज अभी मैं शूट करके आ रही हूँ, तो यहाँ पे आई गेस थोड़ा डैम्प पड़ गया था, तो फिर से वो कंक्रीट मोटर निकाल के उसको फिर से भरना पड़ा. अदर देन दैट आई थिंक दैट्स ओनली द प्रोग्रेस विच दे हैव मेड टिल नाउ. थोड़ा विंडो भी थोड़ा सा अलग दिख रहा है अभी, एंड एज यू कैन सी दिस साइड दे हैव जस्ट टोर्न अप सम ऑफ द स्टिकर्स विच आई हैड मेड. Oh my god, this physically is hurting me, this Delina one. Anyways, we have to let go. This is what the room is looking like. Painting shuru hoga, but this is the before. I just want to quickly show it to you guys. And right now it's actually 23rd December. Aaj I've not moved much of the things. They are as it is. Iska bas tabletop I've cleared. This one I think I'll keep as is, or ye sab jo loose cheeze I'll just take them out, and the painting will commence in just a while. Abhi tak I've not selected any color. For now they'll just apply a base white color, especially as you can see all these things look very patchy and dirty, so we need to get rid of that first, and then we'll select a color. Probably we'll go for lilac or lavender, let's see. So this is the first round of painting which needs to be done. तो पहले ये सब cover हो रहा है अभी, as you can see, and फिर they are gonna do the main final work. Let's say goodbye to my room once and for all. They are taking off all my wall hangings and poster, which is really sad. For now they've just applied like one coat of primer or putty, and I think painting कल से शुरू होगा. And this is what my room is looking like right now. Hopefully अच्छा color turn out हो. I have selected one color for the time being. This is the color which I have selected. It's called Tender France from the Dulux का palette. It's a light lilac color. there's any color on the wall, but there's just one layer of the paint here, and this is what it's looking like. It's literally looking white, so clearly the wrong choice of color on my part. Plus I think they've just tried to complete this work in just a day's time, so a lot of jhamela is going on right now. Let's sort that out first. This is what the first layer of paint is looking like. Actually, to be honest, kal bahut zyada panga ho gaya tha with this painter guy because he wanted to finish the task in a hurry and my dad was just not having it, so they've not come today for painting. But this is what it's looking like. As you can see, the windows and everything, it's just like a very shabby job. I've chosen like a really sheer shade of lavender, so I hope it looks pretty. Let's see. This is just the one coat done. Maybe more coats, it'll look better, and I really hope it comes together. So as I said, a lot has gone down with the painting of this room. I'll just tell you the story in a little brief because I'm not sure if I'm even allowed to tell the whole story, you know. So first of all, my dad was in charge of the room. He was paying for everything. He was looking for all the paints and the different, you know, painters and stuff. And so he checked out everything, and there was this ICI ka guy, so he appointed him basically. And that guy's name was Arijit. I also have a little clip of him if you can see here. Now that guy turned out to be a fraud. Like, he took 10,000 rupees up front from my dad in cash so that there was no proof of this transaction that he was paid. Then second of all, he tried to really scam us with his workers. He just like tried to finish the work in one day, like paint chadaya. He didn't let the paint dry, and then he wanted to apply a second coat of paint. So that was that. Then even for painting the windows, you need to first actually get rid of the excess debris and then you start painting it. He didn't do it, and he was instructing his workers just, you know, hit on the iron so that, you know, they'll feel like you are actually removing the debris. Moreover, the work was extremely rash. He did not even plane out the walls. Oh my god, for the ceiling, he mixed primer with ujala instead of white paint, and he just painted the ceiling thinking that we are fools and we will accept it. So of course we did not. He lied up front to his seniors that, you know, that we did not pay him and that we were lying. Like, of course, why would you bring paint to someone's house if you were not being paid? That too, tubs of paint. So he did not pay his workers. He took the money. He lied about it up front. He also blocked my father. So that was a huge scam there. So we almost got ripped off of rupees 10,000. And mind you, it was just not my room. It was my room, the kitchen and the bathroom. The paint had to be done in these 3 rooms. And I think the total overall was something 50,000. So he kind of totally ripped us off, and फिर बहुत time लगा, वरना otherwise this painting would have done like weeks ago. It started the last week of December and it would have been actually done by New Year's, but it took us a lot of time, and today is the 9th of January. Like, you cannot believe कि क्या हालत थी, and this whole room was occupied. I was literally roomless for such a long time. But right now things are slowly settling in. The color which I've gotten done in my room is the Dulux ka Velvet Touch color. The shade and everything I've probably mentioned in my vlog. But finally I'm really glad कि अच्छा color turn out हुआ है. The second time around, the new workers, the new supervisor, they were much better and they were much more better at communicating. And I think we got past that scam, and it can happen to anyone. So I'm just here telling my story that beware of such scammers. Like, you know, they would literally come into this room, close the door, and so that no one would know what is happening, right? And if people are working in your room, make sure they do not just close the door and do anything and everything. Just make sure that you are there to supervise your room as well. They've given the proper shade card now, and these are the 3 palettes which I'm really liking. Out of that, this color, if you can see, Lilac Splendor, Vivid Lavender and Mellow Aubergine. These 3 colors are really speaking out to me. Let's see. I think I may go for Vivid Lavender, this one right here. Okay, so this is another update, and this is what the room is looking like right now. फिर से जो lavender color था उसके ऊपर they have like done this layer of putty and primer, and this is what it is looking like right now. So basically a lot has happened with this room and the whole painting fiasco. I'm gonna sit down and tell you guys everything कि क्या क्या हुआ, but again we've had to start from scratch because the guy who was there before this tried to scam us a little bit, and बहुत कुछ scenario हो गया, and the work got delayed by weeks, and the new year ही ऐसे बिखरे हुए घर में start करना पड़ा. Anyways, we're gonna have to deal with it, but this is for the timing what it's looking like. I think I'm gonna stick to this lavenderish color only. Let's see क्या होता है, because it is been a real problem because I literally do everything in this room of mine only, and when this room is blocked I have like no other way. Photo te ekটু নীল লাগছে না, আমার ঠিক লাগছে. Photo তুলছিলাম তো নীল লাগছে. is what the first coat is looking like, and I absolutely love this color. It's complementing the wall really well. The doors are not the best. I'm not liking the doors, I don't know about that, but I think the white and the lavender complement each other really well. Camera pe kitna acha aa raha hai, I don't know. Plus the finish of the color is really good because I think ye Dulux ka kuch velvet touch range hai, so the finish is going to be fantastic. I know that. It just looks so pretty from what we had to this. This is what my room has been looking like after I have just settled in after for a while. The color looks spectacular. It is like no joke, it looks spectacular. And thoda bahut maine abhi yahan pe settle kiya hai with my stuff. Yahan pe also some changes are taking place, but yeah, like over here if you can see, this area needs some shelves. Then I need to change my seating area. Over here there'll be a bookshelf and then a couch over there, so a lot needs to be set up. This area essentially is really empty, so ye sara bhi set up karna hai, so a lot of there is in process. All of this can't even be done right now because I'll be going on vacation like in 2 weeks, so after that only the most other work can start taking place. But I'm really glad with how the room has turned out to be, and the color is really like my preferred loved color. You can see very well the doors, and this main white finishing is not the best either because ये भी बहुत last minute इन लोगों ने करके दिया है after all the scam that has happened to us. Even over here if you can see, if you lift it up, नीचे का इन्होंने white किया है, ऊपर का there's still some space left. So the white bits, the windows and doors have been done in a rush. Otherwise I have no complaints regarding this room. I mean the paint का quality देखो, it's giving like a different shine. Like abhi to rooms like the lights are on in my room, but even with natural sunlight it has such a beautiful glow. So that's it for the update on this room. Abhi bhi a lot of work needs to be done. The whole area needs to be set up, and as you can hear like बहुत echo आ रहा है because how the furniture has not been set up. Then थोड़ा बहुत carpentry का work है. So I really have high plans for this room, and in order to transform it, I also do not want to over clutter it, like you know, have a lot of furniture so that the walls, the shine of the walls, the beauty of the walls is taken away. I do not want to do that either. And I know throughout this video, the vlog, the talking part, I have not been looking the best, but I just wanted to present my raw real self to you guys. Again, a very happy new year. I hope you guys have a great new year ahead, and that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and meet you in my next one. Till then guys, stay safe and be kind to others. Bye.